In this week's episode, we're covering the startup. Whether you just purchased a tub or it's time to take your existing tub and swap out that water, we'll go through all the necessary steps to make sure you get your tub started off right. All right, let's get started. There are only a few items you'll need to complete the startup successfully. Item number 1, metal gun. Item number 2, defender. A mineral block, chlorine, test strips, and in our area we use a lot of Spa Down. They also have a product called Spa Up. Those two products handle alkalinity and pH. So if it's high, use Spa Down. If it's low, use Spa Up. All right, now we're gonna go over the simplest part of the whole process, and that's putting all the products we just discussed into the hot tub. And with this, you'll pour in the whole bottle. Awesome, now that we got the metal gun in there, next we add defender. And we just do 2 ounces, which is handy that there's lines on there, so you'll just do 2 lines into the tub. Then the next thing you do is, we got that fresh, clean water in there, but we need to add a little bit of chlorine so that we can get our level set. So I like to throw in 1 scoop. Take the test strips and we'll go ahead and we'll dip those in the water and check our levels. And then you take the test strip and you hold it up to the edge of the bottle and you check the colors of your test strip against what the bottle says. So as you can see, both our calcium's high, which is going to be pretty natural when you first put water in the hot tub, but what we're really concerned about is our pH and alkalinity are both high. So we're going to go ahead and adjust that. All right, so we saw on the test strip that our alkalinity and pH were high. Both of those are going to move together, and so we're going to go ahead and use Spa Down to do that. So we'll go ahead and we're just going to guess. We're going to go ahead and take a capful, throw it in. We'll let that dissolve, mix in with the water, operate, and then we'll recheck it and see what happens. All right, that wraps up this edition of Water Care Wednesday. For more information, check out the links below. We provided a link to our quick and easy guide to make everything simple and easy for you to do.